Want to know how to generate a random noise in your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and now once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, so you can just simply import any track or not, it's your choice. So now, on the top navigation bar, you should be seeing something known as generate. You can just simply select generate right here. And now once you have selected generate, right below DTMF tones, you should be seeing noise. So you can just simply select it. And now you can just simply edit the noise tab. So that is white, pink and Brownian. So you can also select the amplitude and the duration. And once you're done, just simply select generate. And then you're good to go. You can just simply select the space bar to preview it and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.